So it's your boy. It's been a while since I dropped a video, but I guess on the subject of Techtober. So I haven't even heard anybody use that word Techtober this year. But for those who don't know, Techtober is usually a month where we just basically have an overload of tech gadgets and things to buy, review, and etc. So for me, there are a few things I picked up, and some were kind of on the late side, but some things that I actually wanted to share this month that I'm actually going to be getting my hands on, things that I already do have my hands on. For one, I know y'all already see that box in the back. The Switch OLED just dropped, so I picked that up. I'll be checking that out, making some comparisons against the original one, and see if it's something that maybe something you should buy, maybe you shouldn't buy. But I also have picked up this Rode mic. As you see here, I normally like to keep the boxes and stuff a little weird like that, but as you see, I actually have it right here on clipped on my shirt. Let me know how the audio sounds with that. It's just a wireless lav mic system, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I just want to actually give it a shot, see how it sounds in comparison to my Deity mic that I use as a shotgun. Normally I have that in either mounted on the camera, or I may have that as an overhead boom mic. But let me know how this actually sounds, and well, I will definitely probably do a review or impression video or something with these mics. So also have picked up a Galaxy Watch 4. I'm gonna also once again stay tuned to the channel for that, because it's kind of interesting. I haven't really used it all for like the whole fitness routine, but I'm gonna start using some of those. I'm gonna start using some of those features pretty soon, and I don't know, kind of do a little in-depth review or something with this watch, because it's been a while since I actually bothered buying a smartwatch. But this one's a little interesting. It's a little different, so stay tuned for that. I also bought an iPad Mini 6. I think that's what this generation is called. So stay tuned for that as well. That one's not coming in until the end of the month, until it's delivered. So be it. That's Apple's delivering system. And I'm also planning on getting that Pixel 6. Probably the Pro, because I just got to have a Quad HD display. But it's going to be quite a month, so stay tuned to the channel. I got some stuff, but most importantly, the reason why I'm even dropping this video, I don't even drop videos at night, so to speak. But just to let y'all know, unfortunately, a week and a half ago, some of y'all know my dad passed. So I will be actually streaming the funeral service from my actual YouTube platform. So for those of y'all that don't want to watch, just letting y'all know that this is really purposely for the family, but all are welcome to watch. But I will be streaming that tomorrow at noon. So just to let you know, in case you just have a pop-up random stream, y'all watching the funeral, y'all wondering what's happening. And this is normally a tech channel, but I do have family overseas in Kenya, and they do want to watch this funeral as well. So my platform is just a way to be able to communicate and put everything together. So with that, I guess I'm done with this video. I just wanted to do a quick video just talking about some things I picked up, some things that are coming to the channel, some things you're going to see, and also the funeral that you're going to see popping up tomorrow on your notification. But with that, I am done. Once again, stay tuned to the channel for more, and I'll holler at y'all on the flip side. Peace.